Imagine this. You pick a high performing site like Conversation Lab, clone its design as well as SEO, and make it uniquely yours. And what if I tell you it's possible using HeyBoss AI? And in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how you can clone and customize a full professional site in minutes using HeyBoss AI. First off, start by going to heyboss.ai, make an account if you don't already have one, or log in. Once you do that, you have this layout right here. Now here you can simply type in an idea and that will create a website for you. But right now we'll be using the clone website option. Now here again, you have to type in the idea. Okay, so this is my starting prompt and now I'm going to add in the main element of this. You have to add in your reference website's link in this box right here. I'm going to be using Conversation Labs. So I've copied this link. If you want, you can search up any of your websites, or if you don't have any ideas, you can visit a award website, which is this right here, which has all sorts of award-winning websites with impressive design and unique styling. I've added the link right here. Now, if you want, you can even attach some documents like the logo of the website, any external images. If you're not adding the link for copying your design, you can use the simple mode right here and attach some sort of reference images from Dribble or anywhere you want. And you can even add CSV to your website, which will create databases and tables in your website. Also, if you don't want to add in a link, you can add a screenshot instead, but we are going to stick with the link, and let's get started by clicking on this try it free. Okay, so here we have our result. Let's preview it. Now, first off, I'm going to turn on the full screen mode, and we can see that this image is probably too small for this screen, and the same goes for this logo right here. So we'll have to get that fixed later on, but for now you can check out this, which is the whole structure of the website, which is similar to my given reference, and it looks good, to be honest. It has gotten all the different elements and even this little animation, which is good. Now another benefit that you get is that you can edit your website. Like, every part of your website is an editable element. All you have to do is click on this edit button, and then you can select any part of your website and change it. Like this right here, if I click on this, you can change the image here and resize it as well. So I'm going to change this logo to something else, and right now I'm just going to drop it from my PC. So I've uploaded my image and I'm going to confirm this, and I've added this image right here. Now I'm going to save this change, and that's made. It is small, I know, but right now I only had that image. Apart from that, I changed this image as well. Now another one of the features that HeyBoss AI offers is the plugins. If you click on this button, you'll find a bunch of plugins that you can insert right in your website. And honestly, it's quite simple. Let me just show you here. First off, check out all the available plugins. Majorly all big name companies and tools are there. Apart from that, you even have API access for all different sorts of functionalities. Now, for the integration, all you have to do is click on any of the plugin you want, which will give you a little template. Now for this plugin, which is the YouTube embed video, we have to replace this link with the link of the video that we want to embed. So I'm going to stick with this link right here, and I'm going to send this so that it can be integrated into our website. Okay, so here's the updated website, and you can see that our YouTube video is now attached into our website. Also, another thing that I missed earlier is that it is compatible even in a mobile view, so you can check out that this website is as responsive as it gets. And if you have any issues with the current version, you can always click on this button, which will revert you to the previous version, which in our case we are just on version 2 because we added the YouTube video. Apart from that, you have all these tools which you can access, like analytics of your published website, your storefront, your forms, contact details, email, tasks, etc. But for that, you'll have to actually publish your website. And to do so, simply click on this publish button right here or this one right here. And once you do so, you'll get this publishing link. And if you want, you can connect to custom domain, but for that, you'll require a premium subscription. So for now, let's stick to this one and publish this website. And here we have the link again. And check this out. You have a fully published website inspired by a website link that you just gave to an AI agent, and it created this whole website on its own. Isn't that great? So HeyBoss has this exceptional functionality of creating websites, but that's not the limit, because if we go back to our HeyBoss AI landing page, we can see that we can create any new ideas or even a local business website by simply adding our business into this maps field right here. And if we want, we can even redesign our website. All we have to do is give the link for our previous website, and then you can even add in an inspirational website as your reference. If that's not enough, you can use the already existing HeyBoss AI's template, which are sorted into different categories. Like these are websites, these are blog website templates, then these are commerce, these ones are the portfolio website templates, and so on and so forth. Apart from that, you have specific agents as well. Like in our case, this was the default agent which was assigned. But if you have specific use case, you can simply choose an agent according to your need. And lastly, you can see all your projects right in this tab here. So that's basically how you use HeyBoss.ai to create a website for yourself within a few minutes. So why don't you go create your store website now?